This delicious chicken schnitzel salad is made easy with Primo Chicken Schnitzel. A handy pick, it's pre-cooked and pre-sliced, which makes it the perfect protein to add to your lunch or a light meal. To prepare the salad, wash and separate the leaves of a baby cos lettuce and arrange them on a serving platter. Then thinly slice a Lebanese cucumber and half a red onion. Next, cut a carrot into matchsticks by cutting into portions and thinly slicing lengthways, then cutting into thin sticks. Thinly slice the radish, adding each veggie to the platter as you go. Arrange some beetroot wedges and the Primo Chicken Schnitzel over the salad. For the dressing, place mayonnaise, chopped mint, chopped parsley, and about 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl and stir to combine. The mixture should be loose enough to drizzle over the salad. Top with some mint and parsley leaves and you're done. Quick and easy and tasty, enjoy this Primo Chicken Schnitzel salad with family and friends. It's perfect for packing into lunchboxes too.